Hi everyone, it's Jean and Bree, and I hope everyone's having a good holiday season. What I'm going to try today is a paint kiss. This is my first paint kiss, and I'm going to try to do fire and ice. So I have used Master's Touch Yellow Medium, Master's Touch Permanent Red. These are mixed with silicone and gloss white. And then I've used, and that's for the ice. Also I got Apple Gloss Pumpkin Orange. That's my own creation there. And Master's Touch Pale Blue for the ice side. The other side was fire. Then the light blue that I mixed up. And a real blue. So, I have sprayed the cups with my Blaster Silicone. So, to hopefully release the paint. That's what it normally does. I did use a base coat with no silicone for the white, and now we're going to crinkle the top so it pours out easier. Right here, let's do it. There we go. Okay, so I alternated the red, yellow, orange, and white for the fire, and I alternated the 3 different shades of blue and white for the ice. So now we're gonna attempt my first paint kiss. Okay, let's see how we do this. Over the middle, start letting them go, just like this. I think I might have a little too much white in these. However, it might turn out pretty cool, we'll see. Might get a lot of green because of the fire and ice mixing together. We won't know. Here we go. Patience, Jeannie, patience. Almost there. I don't think I'm level. Okay. There we go. Oh boy, that is a lot. And we are not level. Let's get this and try to put it up underneath. Should have done it beforehand. There we go. Hopefully that helps. Just tilt it a little bit that way. Now I've got a lot of paint on there. Let me torch it. Get these bubbles out real quick before it starts rolling off the edge. Okay. Alright, bubbles, go away. Alright, don't want to bake the paint. Good. That should be good. Alright, let's see. Gotta get a lot of this paint off, I can tell you that. A lot of paint on there. So, let's go a little bit to the left. Oops. A little bit this way. Go slow, Jeannie. This way. And maybe back this way. Don't know. No, it's a lot of paint on this little plywood. I believe that's what it is. Let's bring some of that color back. over, because I don't want it to be all ice, I want it to be both. It's definitely unusual looking. Oh, got some cells popping up. Really liking the ice, the fire side is really cool. I'm going to go this way again. Like this. And then back again like this. Looks like the fire and ice are definitely mixing. I'm going to roll a little bit more of that off on the ice side. Bring it back towards the middle. Actually, it's sort of neat looking. A little bit too much white right in the middle. So I guess if I were to do this again, I need less paint and less white for sure. Because I'm really working my way back and forth to lose some of this paint that we got so much of. Yeah, it's pretty though. Definitely different. Too much white, for sure. Wish I can get some of that white off, but it's not happening. Definitely not happening. I can start to get it off, but I'll take too much of it off if I do it. I don't know how pretty this is. To get what do you think? Does it look like? I'm not sure what I think yet. It's definitely different. I just wish I didn't have quite so much white. That is for sure. I'm actually liking the colors at the top. I think I might let some of that roll off there, that white. Sorry you're not seeing this right now. Getting some of this white off of there. And bringing it back a little. That's not so bad. That's quite pretty, actually. Got a lot of cell action going on in the fire, just not in the ice. A little bit. I think we've got enough of the paint off. It doesn't want to run anymore. Too much. Going this way a little bit more than back. Back. Alright, now we gotta come back. Yes, we do. Just like this. See, I'm getting the fire and the ice mixed together. However, I think it's quite pretty this way. and let me know what everybody thinks. Tell me how you think my first kiss pour went. Sort of interesting. I love the different colors of the fire and the ice. And there is some cell action. I'm going to bring it up to you. I don't know, can you see that? Right, like that. It's quite pretty, actually. So, I think we're done with that. We're just going to let it dry. I'm going to try to get a couple tiles. I'm just not sure yet. Got a lot of neat stuff going on in my hands. Alright, so I hope everybody enjoys the video, and this will probably be put up right after Christmas. Today's Christmas Eve, and I gotta get busy. So I will probably put this up after Christmas. So I hope everybody had a really nice Christmas, and I'll see you after Christmas. Thank you for watching. God bless, be safe, and be happy.